Okay guys, just a little bit of an intro right now. We got another Opel GT, we're getting another one. We're gonna tear this thing, we're gonna take this thing out with the John Deere tractor and put them back here and take this thing outside, and I'll show you guys what we do next. So we got that Opel GT, we're getting another one too. Hopefully it starts back up. So we're gonna drag this thing outside, stick it outside because it's a piece of junk compared to that one. And then we're getting another Opel GT that's rust free. So yes, we'll be taking this out and hopefully the tractor starts back up. And I'll show you guys what we do next. John Deere tractor's pulling it. This is definitely a first tractor pulling an Opel. John Deere. Grandpa, wait 1 second. Oh, you got it? Oh yeah. We're good so far. Poor spare tire off the 69 GT still on there yet. Tractor's chugging along there. We're gonna park it right over there. I think he's gonna back up, yeah. What I'm gonna do here. Where's he going? Huh. That thing has power steering on it, guys. All those tractors, that one has a power steering on it. Aftermarket power steering. But then one of all his Chalmers has factory power steering. The other one has aftermarket too. Just some random tractor facts for you guys. Is it working? It's a new GT. Trust me, we got a lot of parts, and we have probably another 2 truckloads worth of parts in another car worth to go. So, and they have titles too, which is awesome. This is so hilarious. Seeing the crap dragging from it. Oh, the exhaust is dragging. I didn't even think about that. That's goofy. Get over this way a little bit. Yeah. You're good. Straight back. If you go straight, that'd be awesome. Oh yeah, you got it, yeah. You're good, keep on going back. These are VW bus parts. Oh, you good, Grandpa, good. Stop. It won't go on, but it's good. That one's kind of seized. It's hitting on its 4 wheels against him for a while.
Away then.
tractor acceleration. 0 to 60 on the tractor. There it is, the new beauty. The 73 GT right there. Okay, I'm gonna turn you guys off for now. Okay, this is my new Opel GT, 1973. I didn't really take any pictures or videos of it at the place because it was just in a barn, or in a garage thing. It wasn't really that fancy. So yeah, so 1973 Opel GT. We have a title for it. It's been sitting since 1989. That's when the tag was last registered back here, Indiana. So it's in DeKalb County, which is not that, it was just kind of far away from us. That's like 30 miles from us. But, so yeah, pretty solid car overall. Rockers are good. Has this weird, like, stuff on it. Rockers are perfect on this car. This door will not open, which is fun. Interior, moldy. Very moldy. Paint is absolutely perfect. This thing has some rust right there. Some quarter panel rust. Has some rust below there. Has a glass pack on it, which is my favorite. Moldy seat there. I took out. Floorboards are perfect though, except for that little rocker panel rust right there. Has insane Phase 3 speakers on it, which are pretty cool. Has a cool rainbow sticker. I don't know if you guys can see that way back there. Which is right here. Rainbow sticker. Has a super cool multi-musical car horn. That's pretty cool. It's a 4-speed, of course. Has only 40,000 miles, supposedly. We have the keys for it. Has a random cassette player. Yeah, that's about it for the interior. There's not much else for the interior. Door. VIN tag. Just put some oil down the cylinders, it has the original Solux on it, which it says 40,000 miles on the odometer. Don't know if that's true or not. Throttle linkage is not stuck, which is awesome. Headlight buckets are out of it. Belly pan is good, but it has an aftermarket battery tray, so at least the belly pan's still on it yet. It's really nice on there. Just kind of giving a quick walk through. I'm going to be getting home pretty soon because tomorrow's still school day, so that kind of sucks. Looks like the engine was maybe built by Ed's Engine, Fort Wayne, Indiana, which is where I'm from. So, spark plugs holes, decent, horrible, really bad, and not bad. So, yikes! I don't know what to do about that as a spark plug. So, I put some oil down them, and hopefully they're good. I don't know. I really hope it's not locked up. I don't know. I'm kind of scared about that. That would suck. But yeah, I got a title for it. It's on 1973 GT wheels. Has only a glass pack on it, which is pretty neat. So I'm guessing it's gonna be pretty loud. So that's from Black GT. So I actually don't have a black GT. They had a black GT. Okay, so I'm also getting a yellow Opel GT. It's an Arizona car, no rust. But it's all the way torn apart. That car's gonna be going back there. We're getting that in a week and a half. So that video will be coming up soon too. We're trying to get this one running. That one is stripped all the way out. Still has the engine, transmission, and suspension on it, but that's about it. Interior's all out of it. Everything's stripped off of it. But that's a perfect car. We have all its parts for it. And then there's a black GT, but they scrapped this body, but they saved everything else. Doors, engine, suspension, everything. So I have tons of parts from that. There's the hood off this car. Got a gas tank, got bumpers, seats, two dashboards, whole box of carburetors. I got two or three Webers and a Holley carburetor. More interior parts. I mean, it's just amazing, guys. I'm kind of still in shock. What I got? Panel, center consoles, gauge cluster with the original Opel GT radio, another gas tank, grill. I got a seat back here. I got another gauge cluster, glass. Also got a new windshield that's coming in separately. Wait, that's not mine. It's the bumpers off Grandpa's. Box is full of stuff. I mean, there's carburetors. There's everything. Perfect lenses. New master cylinder and brake booster, not really new. That's going in that car. So you guys are it's just amazing. I'm getting even more crap. It's going to be, we might have to make 2 more trips getting all this stuff. There's just so much stuff. So it's pretty insane. I still can't believe it myself, but they reached out to me and I'm like, yeah, I'll take it. So wait, this car will be running pretty soon here. We're gonna do a will it run video, maybe Saturday, maybe a couple weeks or so. I don't know, we'll see. But I don't know. Stay updated for this, guys. I have another Opel GT out here. We had to stick the orange one out there, as you guys can see it way out there. My black GT is right there, which is the running and driving one. So, I guess thanks for watching. Subscribe and stay updated for other videos. And, yeah, just a real quick video. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this and consider subscribing.